Hello.
Hello, Maima.
Hello. How are you?
I am good, Mohammed.
Ma'am, Alpha
Yes.
ma'am already print it by science textbook.
Science textbook. You have your science textbook. That means, wow, that's really great. Okay, Umaima, can I speak to everyone? And can you stop watching the video, please? Okay. Okay. Thank you, Umaima. You are watching Mr. Beans?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Do you like Mr. Beans?
Yes.
Yeah, I also like Mr. Bean.
Okay. Beside
But
Mr.
that
Beans, have you
animated
seen his
one.
movies? Have you seen his movies? Good morning. Is it Manha?
No, it's Mariam.
Uh,
It
no,
was
no, it's
Mariam.
Manha. Acha, oh, Mariam
No, it was
from the
Mariam.
background. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. That's all right. Yes.
No, we dog, we daisy dog. No,
So, who is Mustafa and Umar? Okay. Let them join in. What are you singing, Muhammad Ali? You are in a very good mood. How are you, Umar?
I'm fine.
Are you back in Mumbai? Are you back in Mumbai, Umar?
Ma'am,
Yes.
I have my English.
Muhammad Manha, please turn on your screen. We'll wait for Mustafa and then we'll start our class. Oh my God, Muhammad Ali, can't keep your mouth shut even for a minute. Do you know that?
Right.
What? I can hear you continuously. Okay. So what we will do today is, let's see. Even I don't know what I'm going to do today.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I don't know what to do. When is our essay competition?
Friday, 10 o'clock. For Newtons, it's Friday, 10 o'clock. Okay, be ready. Okay.
All about me. All about son.
What happened, Umaima? You were saying something?
Essay challenge went also. Yeah, done
What
also.
went?
The
Because
essay
everybody
challenge.
is...
All.
No, that was only for Curie, right? Not for Newton.
No,
But for
no, yes.
Newton, it will be
All
on
about
Friday.
me.
Oh.
All about me. Question.
Okay. Now, okay. So now quickly, all about me. What is this on the screen?
Fire.
All about sun.
Sun.
Don't think that
about
I'm going to
sun.
talk about myself, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So now quickly go and get your ball. Quickly, everybody.
Okay.
The same ball.
What?
The same ball, ma'am.
Any ball,
The same ball
whatever,
which we used that day.
any ball, whichever you like. Okay.
Ma'am, this is Earth.
Yeah. Oh wow, that's a very nice ball. Okay, Umar Jadwat has got a smiley ball.
Ma'am, sun. This is the sun.
Oh my God, this is a sun. Muhammad Ali has a Earth, and I think Mustafa is going to get a planet,
It's a
Jupiter.
tennis ball.
It's a
Ma'am,
tennis
mine is a
ball.
tennis.
Okay, Manha, what you have got? Again, the tennis ball. Okay, Umaima. Okay, so I have a task for you all to do.
It was starting, pausing and starting, pausing and
Hmm. Okay, can you all dribble your ball? Do you know how to dribble?
Ma'am told to get the ball.
Do you know how to dribble? Okay, we'll start with Manha. Okay, we'll start with Manha. Manha, can you dribble your ball? Let's see. Umar, I didn't ask you to dance, Umar.
Ma'am, what does dribble? Oh,
Dribble means to
that
bounce
I
the
know.
ball.
Ma'am,
Even
which
I
page
don't have
number?
my ball over here.
Ma'am, which page
No
number?
page number. We are playing a game, Muhammad Ali. So we'll start with Manha. Manha, can you dribble a ball at least 10 times? Show me quickly.
I don't know how.
Dribble means to bounce the ball.
This is not for bouncing. Wait, I'll bring one for bouncing.
But can you do it? Can you try it with your ball? Or maybe we can try with Muhammad Ali's ball first. Can you do it, Muhammad Ali? We'll see. Muhammad Ali, wait.
Yeah, I can bounce it. Oh, wait, I need to get my ball.
Okay. Okay. Let me check whether Muhammad Ali can bounce the ball or not. Where is Muhammad Ali? Muhammad Ali disappeared. Okay, Umar, can you do it? Umar,
What?
can you bounce your ball at least 10 times?
Okay.
10 times that's really.
Start. 1, 2. Okay. Can you do it 10 more times, Umar? Can you do it 10 more times?
Ma'am, I don't know how to
20 times.
dribble.
Okay, I'll show you. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Ouchie.
Good. Good. Muhammad Ali, I want to see you now.
Wait.
It's 9 and the last one. Done. I did 10. But it was very hard.
Okay. Okay, Umaima, wait. 1, 2. You can practice till that. 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh my God, no. 6, 7. Only with your one hand. Only with your one hand. 7, 8, 9, and
Why are you telling everyone to
yes, I want to see whether you all can dribble it or not. My next task would be to spin the ball on your fingers.
No.
Okay, Mustafa.
I can do that.
Manha, can you do it? Manha, can you do it? Okay, 20 times. Manha, can you do this? Please start dribbling.
Ma'am, I can't.
Manha is eating actually. Wait. Manha, I'm coming to you. Manha, can you do it? Dribble the ball. Quickly, 10 times. 10 times. Oh my God, you disappear from the screen. Come on the screen and do it. Where is my Manha? Okay, Umaima, come here. Come on the screen, Umaima.
Can one minute my ball? Yes.
Umaima, I'm going to pin your screen. Umaima, please dribble the ball. 10 times. At least 10 times. 1, yes. 10 times. Quickly do it, Umaima. Quickly do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Ma'am, I can't do it.
3, 4, 5. Done 10 times. It's already on. 3, 4, 5. Only 5 times. Umaima, I want 10 times.
Ma'am, I can't.
Okay, yes, Mustafa.
I can't even do it.
do it 3 times because I'm on the carpet. If I was on
Oh,
the
you are on the carpet. Okay, try it, Mustafa. We'll just try it once.
yeah, I know.
Just try.
Here, here it's the floor.
Come on, 1, 2. Come on, come on, come on, come on.
I did.
Come on, my footballers, quickly.
Ma'am.
Mustafa, disappear from the screen. Yes, Muhammad Ali.
I was saying that why did I name this ball Earth because it's so colorful.
Yes, see that there are a lot of fishes and I can see the map also. Yes, Manha. Can you do it, Manha? Oh, you did 20 times. Can I spin your screen and you can do it again? Manha, 1, 2, 3. Start. 1. Start, Manha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Good job.
41. Ma'am, I can do this.
Ah, good job. Good job.
40 times.
40 times. Oh my God. Okay. So my next task would be to spin a ball on your finger. Okay. Can you all do that?
Ma'am, I can't do it. Ooh.
You can't?
No, I can't.
Okay. So we will learn a trick how to spin a ball at least for a second or for 30 seconds or 20 seconds. Okay.
20.
Next time.
For 1 second.
Ooh.
20 seconds. Oh, maybe for 1
Only
second.
I can only
Yes.
do 1 second. Rest I
I
can't.
also can do it for 1 second.
Just a minute. Give me a minute.
You can do it till 1 minute. For 1 minute.
Okay. Now, everybody keep your ball aside. Keep your ball aside.
I already kept my ball.
I already thrown my ball.
Oh my God.
Before you can tell, keep your ball.
Manha, you can keep your ball aside now. Okay. So
Is there
now
sun?
we have already learned that sun is a planet or a star. Quickly tell me.
Star.
Sun is a star, and you all have given me lots of reasons for that. Okay. Now, Muhammad Ali, quiet. I don't want to hear your singing noise. Okay.
I don't want to hear your singing noise.
Okay. Now, do you know how big is the sun? Please, everybody, mute yourself. Yes.
1,000 times
Yes.
bigger than the earth. I think.
Please, everybody, mute yourself.
1 billion meters big than the.
Wait. Let me mute everyone. Nobody is listening to me. Okay, everybody muted. Okay, now you have to
Except
raise your
me.
hand if you want to speak.
Except me, ma'am.
Umar, you are muted. You are not muted. Let me mute yourself. Okay. Okay, tell me, Umar. Yes. Can you see the size of the earth as compared to the sun? See, can you see a
Oh
dot?
my God.
This dot is the earth. Okay. And how big is the sun?
That's a little
This big is the sun. So tell me how many earth can you fit into the sun?
1 million earth.
1 million earth.
Yes.
1,000
1
earth.
million earth. Okay. Let's see. See, can you see a dot again? Yes, Umayma.
Please mute.
I have muted everyone, Umayma. I have muted everyone.
It's not.
Is it all right, Umayma? Muhammad is not listening to me. Muhammad, you have to keep yourself on mute because everyone else is getting disturbed. Thank you, Muhammad Ali. Okay. So now can you see a dot over here and how big is the sun? So 1 million earth can fit into the sun. Okay. I will show you one more picture. Now can you see this dot? This dot is an earth and this big is the sun. And can you see the Jupiter because Jupiter is bigger than earth. So this is the size of original size of Jupiter, and this is the original size of Sun. So 1 million Earth can fit into what? Into our Sun.
Sun.
Okay. Now, so the Sun is bigger than 1 million Earth. Okay.
Ma'am, I
Now,
want to say
do you know
something.
what is? Yes, tell me, Omar.
Please. If all these stars can come too close to the sun, then and it joins to sun, then a black hole becomes.
Okay. Did you research about it, Umaima?
Yes.
Have you done a
And Mars
research about
and
it?
Jupiter, yes. And Mars and Jupiter has 25 moons.
Mars and Jupiter. Okay.
Yeah.
So let me check whether your answer is correct or not. I will Google it and I will check. Mars and Jupiter has. I don't think so. Mars has a moon, but still I'll check it. Okay. Fine.
And ma'am,
Okay. Now, what do you
where
mean?
did I learn
Yes.
this also?
Do you want to know about black hole?
Yes.
Ma'am, actually, if sun dies, now there
Learn
will be
about.
a very big black hole because when the star dies, a black hole comes.
And
Oh, when the
ma'am,
star
where
dies,
did
a
I
black
learn?
hole comes in.
I
Umar,
don't
please
see
turn on your
awesome.
screen.
I don't see
And it will
awesome. I
suck
see
What
all
you mean?
the planets.
ma'am.
All the
Ma'am,
Yes, yes,
I
Umaima.
don't see awesome. I see Dr. Bino.
Ah, you see Dr. Bino. Okay, you don't see Om sometimes.
Ma'am,
Okay,
I also
okay,
see
that's
Dr.
all.
Binox.
I also see
You
Dr.
also.
Bino.
What about you,
One.
Umar? What do you see to increase your knowledge?
Nothing.
Umar, what do you see?
Nothing.
Nothing.
We are waiting for Umar's answer. Let him speak. Umar, nothing. Really nothing. But I have heard that all the time you watch something or the other on your tab.
Yeah, he watches that Clash Royale thingy.
Okay, Umar, that's all right. Okay, that's all right. Okay, but you should also start watching some of the videos which will increase your knowledge. Okay, like Awesome Time or Dr. Binox. Yes, yes,
Ma'am,
yes,
orbit
Umar.
is ma'am, orbit knows.
What is orbit? Tell me quickly.
And orbit is the path of
What
a
is?
planet.
Okay, you can actually see the screen and tell me what is the orbit. Then I will explain you. Umaima, go first.
And
What is
orbit.
orbit? Wait, Umar. Umar, wait. Let Umaima start first.
Ma'am, I
You
have
don't know? Okay. No idea. Muhammad Ali, do you have an idea about what is orbit?
Orbits.
You can read if you like.
I don't think this is orbit. But
No, this is not an orbit. Umar, do you know? Umar wants to speak. Yes, Umar, tell me.
No, ma'am. I have
Yes,
no
Manha, I
idea.
am coming to you. No? Okay, no idea. Mustafa, what about you? Do you know what do you mean by orbit? And this
Orbit
question I'm
means
going to put in my exams.
orbit means all the planets go around sun, and because of its gravity, it does like that.
Okay, Manha, you tell me what do you mean by orbit?
Something.
Wait. Let Manha speak. Then I'll give you a chance. Umar. Yes, Manha.
I don't know. I know orbit. There is circle. That is orbit.
Oh yes, Manha, you're very correct. You are very correct. You're very close to the answer. Yes, Umar, tell me. You want to say something?
Ma'am, many astronauts go space. So which planet they go the most I know
Yes.
the answer.
Tell me. Mars. I think Mars. Umayma knows, I think so. Which planet do us astronauts travel to? Yes, is it correct, Umar?
Because
Umar, am I correct? Okay, Manha is raising hand. Manha, tell me.
when there is Ramzan, na, so I also do.
Huh?
When there is Ramzan, na,
Yes.
so do Rosa. So I see lunar eclipse.
Okay,
In the
you saw
morning.
lunar eclipse. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay. So let me explain you what is an orbit. Manha was very close to it. Can you see this lines? Okay. The planets which the planet travels or revolves around the sun. See, can you see this? This is an imaginary line. It's not an original line. This is an imaginary line. Okay. And through which this is actually orbit is the path of a planet. Okay, which they take to revolve around the sun. See, the planet is revolving around the sun. All the other planets is also revolving around the sun. The path which they take to revolve around any object is called as orbit. It is kind of a road which you take to reach your destination. That is a orbit. For example, the moon revolves around the earth. Muhammad Ali, please don't annotate. Moon revolves around the earth, so that is an orbit. Okay, and the planet revolves around the sun. That is an orbit. So can you see those lines? Manha was saying this circle lines. These are imaginary line, but this is the road which they follow. So this is called as an orbit. Did you understand what is an orbit? Muhammad Ali, Umar, Mustafa, Manha.
I understand very nicely.
Muhammad Ali, you are muted.
Very nicely.
Okay. Okay, Muhammad Ali, if you understand very nicely, please explain it to me. What is an orbit? Whenever I ask Muhammad Ali any question, he disappears. Tell me. Or he will tell me 1 minute, man.
This is an experiment line which helps the planets to go around the sun.
Okay, it's a road or it's a path. Always use it's a path. It's a road which they use to travel around another object or travel or revolve around the sun. Umar, I want the answer from you. What is an orbit?
Orbit is a
Manha one.
A road which
Umar, where is Umar?
Not me.
Umar, what is an orbit?
Earth calling Umar.
Umar.
Earth calling
Now
Umar.
Umar will disappear when I'll ask him anything. Umar, tell me, did you understand what is an orbit? Muhammad Ali, please erase this.
Okay. Yeah.
Umar, are you there, Umar? Manha, tell me the answer.
Yeah.
And Muhammad Ali, you have to always.
Yes.
Orbit is a planet's path, road.
Yes, it's a kind of a road or a path which the planet takes to revolve around sun, or the moon takes to revolve around earth. Okay, that is an orbit. Understood, everyone? So we can go on the next part.
Yeah.
Next slide. Oh my God, again. Muhammad Ali, because you annotate, my screen gets stuck. Do you know that?
Disable annotation, ma'am.
I should do that, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Disable annotation for others.
Okay. Okay, the sun is the main source of light. Okay, we know that we get light from where? From sun. Yes or no? Do we get light from other sources? Tell me, which sources do we get light from? No. We only get light from sun. Again, you started singing, Muhammad. You have to mute and sing if you want to sing. Okay. So now tell me what happens to the sun at night? Why we don't see sun, or why it becomes very dark? Umaima, tell me.
Actually, the
I'm saying.
Wait, Muhammad Ali. It's Umaima. Yes. What
wait.
happens to the sun at night?
The sun revolves to the other side. That's why the sun goes to the other side. And when day is at this side, so the other side is night because sun is here.
Wow, from where did you learn
Whenever
this?
here is night,
I
that's a
feel
binaries.
I feel the sun goes down. I always see the sunset, Umaima. I always see the sunset, and I feel the sun goes down in the water in the night.
Ma'am, I know.
First, when I
know what
didn't
happened
I also thought that only.
Ma'am, I want to
I
tell.
also would think that only.
Okay, Umar wants to speak at last. Okay, tell me, Umar, what happens to the sun at night?
I mean, if we are living in India, right? What will happen when it's night? The sun will go to the other countries. Like the half of the world is here, other half of the world is here. America. So it will go
You
to
think the sun travels to
countries. The sun will, and
So
then
Umar, you're right.
on our
Umar,
planet there will be night.
okay, so Umar, you think that sun travels to the other country, right? The sun revolves around the other
Yes.
country. Do you think that?
Yes,
Okay.
Ma'am.
And
When it's
what
Maghrib
Manha and
time,
Mustafa
so the
think?
suns go down. So that means it's gonna be.
I always see sun going down, so I feel that sun travels or sun keep rotating to different planets. Okay,
Yes.
Manha, what do you think? What do you think, Manha?
The sun stays in that place only, but rotate.
We revolve.
We rotate.
Yes, the earth rotates. Yes, the earth rotates. Okay, Manha, you are very close. Very nice. The sun stays in its own place. Okay, Umar, I will see whether your answer is correct or Manha's answer is correct. Mustafa, what do you think? What happened to the sun at night?
Ma'am, I'm with Umaima. I was going to tell the question.
My answer is correct.
You think Umaima is right. Okay, Mustafa, what do you think? Mustafa, you are muted.
Because I learned it from Dr. Binox.
Oh, wow.
I also learned it from
Umaima,
Dr.
that's
Binox.
nice. Tell me, what did you learn, Mustafa?
Because it looks like it looks like the sun is going down, but it is actually the sun is rotating, and the light is going to the other side.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Very
I
nice,
know.
Mustafa.
I also have a question. Planting, that's why.
Okay, you have a question, Umaima. Even Manha is raising her hand. Umar, tell me, what question do you have?
Ma'am, see, what we call, if you are in a stage and you see the moon, and when you are going straight, but still the moon you can see. You know why?
Yes, why?
Because the earth rotates, so that's why.
Okay. You think because whenever we go in the car, we observe the moon, right? And even moon, I see that moon is also traveling with us. Yes, Umar? And why it happens, you say that because earth rotates. Yes? Okay.
Ma'am,
Okay. So now, what happens to the sun at night? What, Umaima? What did you say, Umaima?
There and moon is there. Sun is there and
Now
moon
I
is
will
there.
tell you. Okay, now let me explain to Umar. Okay, Umar, can you see this line? Can you see this line? This is called as axis
Yes.
line. Okay, this is called as axis.
Yes.
Always remember, this is an imaginary line, just like an orbit. Okay, this is
Axis line.
called as, oh, I'm so sorry, axis line. Okay, and where is the sun, Umar? Where is the sun? Sun is over here, and sun will only stay in one. Sun does not travel. Sometimes we feel in the evening that the sun is also moving, because sometimes we feel that sun is setting or sun is dipping in the water. Okay, but sun is actually not moving from its place. It's earth which is rotating. Okay, so now
And
this
Umar,
part, can you see this part? It is facing the sun. So when this part is facing the axis part, this part, when it is facing the sun, that part is day. And
Day.
again, when the earth spins, okay, and this part will come in front of the sun, this part will get day, and the other part will get night. Did you understand? In the night time, when the sun is on the other side of the earth from you, yes, Umaima,
say to Umar to see these Dr. Vanna's videos also.
yes, I will show it in the class. Okay, don't worry, Umaima. And I have
Yeah.
a very good video to see now. Okay, so this part, Umar, this part
Ma'am,
is
now it is
day,
the
and when it spins
it
again,
is now solar eclipse.
it is solar eclipse. Oh, really,
Look at the
Mustafa?
sun. Look at the sun in
Oh
the
my
picture.
God! Oh, yes, you did it, Mustafa.
Yes.
Okay, quickly erase it, Mustafa. Quickly erase it. Okay, now I want to show you the other picture also. See, if the sun is over here and the earth is over here, so this part will get what? The daytime. And this part will be night, because the sunlight and the sun heat is not reaching this part. Okay, and when it spins again, when the earth spins again and this part comes in front, so this part becomes day and the other part becomes night. Umar, did you understand what am I speaking? Yes,
Can I say
Umaima.
something? You know,
Yes,
and
Umaima.
why in India it does not snow? Because India is Maharashtra is near to the equator. That's why.
Equator, because Maharashtra is near to equator. Okay, if
Yes.
I'm asking you a geography question. Okay, if India is over here, what country would be on the opposite side? Means at the night, which country will receive? Which country will not receive sunlight?
Japan.
Japan? No.
Japan. Oh.
Which country would be on the other side? Which country will have night?
America.
Oh wow, Umar,
India.
that's really nice. America. If this is India, which has day, so here it would be America. Okay, America will have night and India will have day. Very well done, Umar. Very well done. Okay, so let's have a video right now. Okay, do you want
Go.
Ma'am,
Yes, it's a very
if there was
informative
no
video.
moon now,
Hmm?
ma'am, if there's no moon now, so
Huh?
the Earth, so all the asteroids should fall on Earth because moon protects the Earth from asteroids falling on.
Oh my God, I have to learn so much from you all. Yes, Manha, you were raising your hand. Do you want to share something?
In my hand, and I forgot.
Oh, you forgot. You forgot also.
Something that
I have a
happened with
video
me
for you
also.
all.
I also forget things, remember. When I was telling, I forgot.
Okay. Can you see the screen?
Oh, it is genius.
Ma'am, 1 minute time cut.
Where are you going, Umar? Don't go anywhere. Please, everybody mute
Ma'am.
yourself and we can see
Ma'am,
the
I also
video.
saw
Is
this
this a
video.
video?
Ma'am,
You
I
saw
also saw
already?
this video.
Okay, you see usually this videos.
Yeah, I
Make
also
Me
see this video.
Genius. This is very very nice video and very informative one. Umar, where are you now? And
Okay,
Mustafa,
Doctor,
are you
bye.
there?
I am there.
Wake up! It's daytime. We have to go to school.
I wish we only had nights and no days.
Then you cannot go to the playground and ride swings.
Oh, yes. Mummy sends me out to play only during the day. I wonder why we have days and nights at all.
Before we discuss the formation of day and night, we must recall some basics about the rotation of the earth.
I know what this is. This is a globe, a miniature Earth.
Yes, this is the axis of the globe. And this is how the globe rotates.
Wow! So the Earth has an axis?
The Earth's axis is an imaginary line that runs through the poles of the Earth.
And as I see in the globe, the axis is tilted at an angle.
Yes, at 23.5 degrees.
And the movement of the Earth on its own axis is called rotation. All this is clear to me. But why do we have days and nights?
To explain that, I need to use my magic wand.
Where are you? It's so dark. I can't see anything.
Wait, I'll switch on the lamp.
Wow, you are the Earth.
And the lamp is the sun.
Okay, I'm loving this.
See, the light is only falling on my front side. This is day. Now go behind me and see.
Oh yes, this part is dark.
So this is night.
Now this is night on your front half. And day on this back part. Night here now.
When the earth rotates from west to east, only half of it faces the sun. This half which faces the sun has day, and the other half that does not get sunlight has night. When the earth rotates, day changes to night and night changes to day. So,
The rotation of the Earth causes day and night.
if you look at the globe, you will notice that India and United States are on the opposite sides. So,
When it's day in United States, it's night in India. And when it's night in United States, it's day in India. How long does it take for the Earth to make one complete rotation?
the earth takes 24 hours to make one complete rotation.
Oh, that is a whole day.
Yes, my dear. Now we will have a rapid fire round of questions.
What is that?
I will ask you questions and you will answer me quickly and in short.
And I
Okay. If she asks the question, can you all answer?
Yes.
Can you all answer? Yes? Okay. Okay.
get a chocolate as reward.
Right. Our earth moves from west to east on its axis. What is this movement called?
Okay. What is that movement called? When
Orbit.
no, orbit is revolution.
Orbit.
Rotation. No, Mustafa, it's not an orbit.
Rotation.
How long does the earth take to complete this rotation?
24 hours.
What causes day and night?
24 hours.
What causes day and night? Quickly.
The sun orbits because of the sun orbiting.
No. No, orbit is a big thing. It takes 365 days to move around the sun. Rotation takes how many hours?
24 hours.
Manha, right. 24 hours. Rotation means spinning of ball around your finger. Okay. So rotation takes 24
The
hours.
rotation of the earth on its own axis causes day and night.
Very good. Now the last question. Who is the most intelligent boy on earth?
Do not know.
Who is the most intelligent boy in this session? Quickly. Quickly.
I don't know. No one.
No one? No one? Okay, tell me who is
I
the
don't know.
most intelligent girl in this session?
Umema.
See, the girls are so confident they are taking their own name. Manha, Umaima. The boys, they don't know who is the most intelligent boy.
Ma'am,
Umema.
Ma'am,
You should-
Umema. I don't
Okay.
need Manha.
No, it's not Umaima and Manha.
Umema.
It's both. For me, it's both. Both Manha and Umaima both are intelligent. And in boys, all three of you are intelligent. Muhammad Ali, Mustafa, and Umar. Okay? Okay. If I am, quickly tell me, if I am spinning, if I'm spinning the ball on my finger, what is that called as? Rotation or revolution?
Revolution.
No, this is rotation. No, this is rotation. Muhammad Ali, do you want to become a singer, rap singer? Okay. Wait. Okay. What is this called as?
Ma'am.
Rotation or revolution? Rotation.
Rotation.
This is called as rotation when it revolves around its own axis. Okay, that is called as rotation. Remember that. And what is orbit? What is orbit? This is the sun.
Orbit.
And what is orbit?
To go around the sun.
Yes. When the planet moves around the sun, that is called as orbit. And revolving. We will call that as revolving. The earth is revolving around the sun. Yes. Okay. Umaima, I know you are getting bored. Umaima, wait. I have something for you.
82.
Umaima.